Hello, I'm Chef David and I'm the Executive Chef here at Hampton School. We've got a great team here with 7 chefs and over 20 kitchen assistants. Today you join us for breakfast. Let me show you what we've got on offer. We've got a selection of waffles and freshly baked croissants. We've also got a porridge, which we have a different topper every day. Today we've got blueberries with lemon balm. I think tomorrow we might have chopped bananas or even a chocolate sauce. We've also got a Korean bao bun with a pressed pork belly with hoisin sauce this morning. And for the vegetarians, we've got kimchi cheese toasties. And we make a fresh smoothie of the day. Today we've got blackberry and apple. As you can see, we've got something for every Hamptonian to get the very best start for their day. Here we are at lunchtime, and today on the menu we've got char pork noodles. We've got a green curry with vegetables, a mixed stir-fried vegetable, and the boys' favourite, prawn crackers. But of course we've got so much more to offer here, including soup, a pasta bar, jacket potato bar, and lots of gorgeous salads. We always have a delicious hot pudding and lots of cold dessert pots on offer. Here at Hampton we believe that food is really important. The boys have very busy lives and we want food to be one of the highlights of their day. Healthy food equals healthy learning.